Hello, welcome to my channel. To enable you make use of the Boya microphone on your phone, I discovered we need to download an app. I'm going to show you. Before then, make sure it's switched to this part that say off or smartphone. The camera up is for camera, then the one down is for your smartphone. So ensure it is down here. So to enable you do this, you have to go and download an app, as I said. You go to your Play Store. You go to your Play Store and search for Open Camera. So you go to Open Camera and install the app. So you open the app, you allow. Okay. So while in the app, you go for settings. You go down to the video setting. You scroll down to audio source. As you see the audio source, select external mic if present. So we are good. So this is me talking without the mic on. Now I'm going to place the mic here. So this is me properly fixing it now to the phone. So I've changed the audio. I'm now using the Boya mic. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you see notifications whenever I upload video. Until some other time, for now, bye.